The Lord will fulfill his purpose for me. Your steadfast love, O Lord, endures forever. Psalm 138, verse 8. Hey everybody, it's Tasha Brew. Welcome to my channel. How do you do? If you're feeling the vibe, just click on subscribe. Hit the like button once, but do not hit twice. I want to share all about my natural hair and my journey with Christ. Yes sir, he's everywhere. So thank you, and most definitely you. And stay tuned, because it's your girl, Tasha Brew. Yeah. You are gorgeous, darling. Just gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasha Brew, and I want to share my hair journey with you, and most definitely you. Today I'll be showing you guys the different ways that I plan to style my Fulani braids. Please be sure to check out parts 1 and 2 with a tutorial of how I created this look. That's all for today, guys. What style was your favorite? Let me know. I would love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.